came and kicked us out.
Hey guys, what is up? Today's exciting. Today's gonna be more like vlog style. I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me and we're gonna go downtown Houston and take a bunch of photos. I want to try and come out with like 2 or 3 outfits, but I don't even have one outfit in mind yet. Anyways, right now I am just doing my makeup and then we're gonna go, I think. Do you guys use water on your beauty blender or do you use like a setting spray to get it wet? I use this e.l.f. Dewy setting mist because my face always seems like it gets really dry and all the foundation looks cracked, which I think it is because my face is just dry, but that usually helps. Also, I feel like I've mentioned this before, but I use the e.l.f. concealer and from what I've heard, it is like a Tarte dupe and I would have to say it does work pretty well. Let me finish my makeup really quick and then I'll see you guys after. Hey guys, so we are almost to our first destination, which is downtown. From what I've seen from other people's pictures and videos is that it is an open garage. You're on the top of the garage, so you can kind of see some of the skyline. So fingers crossed it's gonna be a good photo spot. It's about 6:30 now, so I don't know how many photos we'll be able to get because the sun is supposed to set at a little before 8. Wish us luck. Okay, so we got to the garage and floors 7 through 14 are blocked off, so we couldn't drive up. So we're attempting to walk up and this is great because I'm already exhausted and I've only gone up 1 flight of stairs. I'm just praying that we can get up here and it's gonna be fine. Please be unlocked. I'm so out of shape. This is ridiculous. But we made it. So that's good. You guys can kind of see. I love tall buildings. I don't know what it is about the cities that I like, but oh my gosh. Yeah. Alright. I didn't even show you guys my outfit, but that's okay. You'll see it in the photos. Kind of happy about it. I'm gonna set you guys up here so you guys can see us take the photos, and then like usual, if you haven't seen any of my photography videos before, I will pop them up as we take them so you don't have to wait to see them at the end. Okay. Whoa, without the glow. Are you okay? It is so hot out here. I'm hoping some of these photos will come out, but they look a little weird, so. I'm trying to defy gravity over here. He got kicked out.
Security guard came and kicked us out. That was fun.
Yeah, Chima got some photos, which is good, but hopefully we can go find another parking garage. There is one right behind us, and we're gonna have to walk up, what, 10 flights of stairs again, so.
Wish us luck, and we're not sweating and
Sticky and gross and la la. Okay, I'm gonna set you guys on the ground. Sorry, it's dirty.
Girl, you're so hot like summer, and I don't want no other lover. You give me feels you do, no one can do it like you. Girl, you're so hot like summer, you're everything I ever wanted. You give me feels you do, no one can do it like you.
Okay, so far this is really stressful. I don't know how people do this. What is a good metaphor for what we're dealing with right now?
The metaphor for what we're dealing with right now? It
No.
just shows you that there's a lot of work that goes in to a good finished product. Maybe sometimes you gotta walk up 10 flights of stairs.
Again. So we were all the way.
Now we're here.
Come on, keep up. We're in the car. Looks like it's been here for a while. Dusty. Hey, get down, get low. Pose with it. You should be proud.
I'm so into you. I'm so into you. You are my
Okay. I'm sweating. I don't know why the camera's not picking up on it, but I guess that's fine. Today is not going as planned, but yeah. Let's get into it. I'm gonna set you guys down on the ground again.
No one can do it like you. Girl, you're so hot like summer. Girl, you're so hot like summer. No one can do it like you.
Sorry I abandoned you guys. Well, maybe we got one shot.
We got a lot of pictures.
If I don't have toned legs by tomorrow. It's disgusting. You know what I just remembered? I didn't have any lipstick on this whole time. My lips already be looking real small too.